Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. In this video we're gonna discuss a hand that happened on PokerStars. It's mid stage of the tournament. We've got blinds of 2.5k and 5k with ante 625, and our hero sits on a stack of 325 with king queen off in the hijack position. This table seems quite nice. We've got 1, 2, 3 players in our vicinity of the stack. We've got 4 players around 180 to 200k and 1 player with 130k. So still not too short of a stack. It's got 26 big blinds. So let's see what happens here. Under the gun raises to 2.5 big blind. The action falls to us, and with our hand we certainly got a couple of options. We can call, we can 3-bet. These players seem quite tight, at least those 3. This one's probably more of a regular kind of player. We also see that this villain has folded 2 out of 3 times to a 3-bet. So maybe, of course, it's not a lot of hands, it's just 36 hands, but maybe it's not a bad spot to 3-bet. But yeah, if there were more colors, then it would make much more sense to try and 3-bet squeeze here. But either way is fine. We should surely be mixing it up, mostly calling, but from time to time 3-betting here. Let's see what the hero does. Okay, the hero calls, and the cut of calls. And we see a flop 3-way, queen 10 3 rainbow. So a quite nice flop for our hand. There are straight draws, but there are no flush draws, and we have a top pair with second best kicker. So let's see what the pre-flop raiser does. And he checks to us. That's interesting. What do we do here? I think given that this player is, at least seems quite tight, we should bet here, because there's a big chance that he will just check behind, and we don't want to give free cards. How much should we bet? I think anywhere from a third to half pot is fine here. Maybe we could sometimes bet more even, but let's see what the hero does. And the hero bets less than a third of the pot. That is fine. 15k to a pot of 49. Let's see what happens. This tight villain folds, and the pre-flop raiser calls. Okay, so an ace falls on the turn. It's quite a scary card. It brings in straight draws of king jack, and it hits probably a lot of his calling range on the flop. All his, ace kings, ace jacks, ace nines, maybe some other suited aces he has here. But it also probably destroys a lot of his one pair types of hands. So queens like our king queen or queen jack. Queen jack actually hit a straight, but yeah, queen 9. Yeah, does he have queen 9 suited here often? Probably not. Yeah, 10-9. Yeah, maybe he's calling 10-9 on the flop, but he's gonna fold it anyway. So still, maybe let's see what the villain does. Okay, the villain checks. So do we continue betting here or do we check behind? I think this ace is a good card to continue betting from time to time. I think we should probably like continue betting 50% of the time and check behind another 50% of the time. Like I said, this ace hits him quite well, and he's not folding an ace for sure. So perhaps we like to keep the pot small and not build a big pot with our hand here. But yeah, I wonder if the hero is gonna bet here or check behind. Let's see. Okay, the hero checks behind. Yeah, this is quite an interesting spot. But let's see the river, and the river is 9 of diamonds. Let's see what the villain does, and the villain actually leads out for 30k to a pot of 80. And yeah, I think we should just call this here. For sure he's got some weaker hands here that we're beating. He's got some bluffs like 9-8. He's got 9-jack. He's got what else? Pocket jacks, pocket 8s, maybe pocket 7s. Yeah, but this river actually brings him a lot of 2-pair types of hands, and we're losing to an ace. The pot odds are 22%, so we only have to win more than that. So 1 in 4 times. 4 times if we win, we're making money. And probably he is bluffing enough here to make this call profitable. But if we know more about this player and his tendencies, then perhaps it makes the decision easier. We can easy fold if we know that he's got it here, if he's not bluffing often here, or easy call if we know that he's capable of bluffing here. But yeah, probably a regular player, recreational player, a regular recreational player is probably not capable of bluffing here, so maybe we should be folding this. But if we know this is a somewhat decent player, then this should be an easy call. Let's see what our hero does. Okay, our hero actually folds, so we will not know what the villain had here, but you can probably assume that his range is crushing us with a lot of aces, 2-pair kind of hands, and straights. There isn't a lot of hands that we're beating, but if we know that this villain is capable of bluffing with those hands, then we should be calling here. Yeah, that will be it for this hand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. You want to learn how to play poker? Great. You have little or no experience playing poker? No problem. Do you want to learn the fundamentals, the most basic principles that allow you to easily win money when playing with casual players? That's perfect, because this poker course was created specifically for people like you. My name is Mateusz. I've played over 3 million hands of no limit Texas Holdem, and I would like to teach you how to play poker like a pro. What you will learn in this course are the fundamentals, the ABC of poker, condensed into 21 short and easily digestible lectures, which altogether take just under 2.5 hours to watch. In each lecture, you will learn a different concept which you can test out and practice immediately after watching. And that's really the best way of taking this course. As with all skills in life, you cannot become a pro unless you spend some hours practicing the craft. So you're gonna have to practice and play some poker for at least 30 minutes after each and every lesson. If you do that, I have no doubt that you will become a winning poker player in less than 2 weeks. Well, do you want to become a good poker player? Do you want to be able to beat recreational players easily? Do you want to have a great time winning at your local home games? Great! Get this course now and start winning at poker.